Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching levels. Set the amplifier input gain and source so the signal is clean but not clipping. Once done, return every EQ band to flat and lower the master volume for safety. Next, play pink noise or a familiar track at your normal reference level. This gives you a neutral baseline. You do this because EQ changes are relative. Beginning from flat ensures your adjustments address actual tonal imbalances rather than inherited boosts or cuts. Now you work methodically. Sweep narrowband boosts to find problem frequencies, but avoid wide boosts that mask issues. When you locate a offending frequency, like boom or hiss, apply a cut of 3 to 6 dB using a tighter cue, because cutting cleans up space more musically than boosting. After taming problems, make gentle broad boosts only where the mix lacks presence. Always verify each change by listening to actual tracks, because real material reveals interactions that test tones do not. Finish by a /bing between your adjusted EQ and the flat reference while listening at intended performance levels. Small tweaks matter. Once satisfied, save a preset so you can return to this starting point. If you encounter feedback, frequency-dependent distortion, or muddiness, first reduce overall gain, then pull down the suspect bands instead of adding more high or low. If problems persist, bypass the EQ to isolate whether the amp or source chain is at fault, and then reintroduce corrections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.